Alright everybody, welcome back to Zero Plays. Almost said Pokemon Black 2. That's how soon this is. I had Donkey Kong Country 2 on the GBA for nostalgia. Last time, we started Gangplank Galleon, but we're going to continue on our way to Lockjaw's Locker. So the first water level. I still think "oh" is better than "eh." Wow, that was slow down. Oh, they're yellow now. I say the music is not as good because of the chip, but like it's still fine. This is the only version of the game you had. This would still be fine. Oh, I need right, I need on guard. Oh. Of course you respawn. Screen crunch is a little bit of a thing, but where is on guard? Is he over here? I believe I forget this shit. Yeah, there he is. Got him. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There we go. Got that secret. Find the crumb coin. Oh, it's just raining coins now, I guess. Oh, that's not it. Ooh, let's go over here. Ooh, this is a little harder to control. I don't think I went the right way. Oh, I did. A little harder to control. Underwater. Okay. Hey, I'm already at 20 lives. Damn. Oh, I see what he was guarding. Ah, damn it. Can I go down and reset this? How do I get off of him? Okay, so I don't get the freebie for that. I didn't think the water would go down that fast. Timing is all different, this being a different version of the game. Gotta get a feel for it, you know what I mean? My, the timing that I grew up with is not gonna be... doesn't seem to be working out for me. Oh, Jesus Christ. What are you guarding? They're in guard. Get rid of him. Okay. Oh. Got him. It's a little harder to control, I'm noticing. Just a little bit. It feels different. The physics feel slightly different. Nice. Got the DK coin. And I'll take that. Okay. Damn it. Take the free life, why not? Change the song a little bit, too. It's interesting to see how this version plays, because I've never... This is my first time playing this, like I said. Okay, the bonus bonanza. Alright, let's see if the questions are different. Donkey Kong, and your tonight's contestants on my bonanza. It's easy to play. Just pick a barrel and then press the A button to begin. You'll be asked a series of questions. Okay. You're on the correct answer. Press the A button to activate that star. Oh, is that Candy? What's my name? Swanky. From next one, please. The first enemy that you see in the game. Furry rat, scaly crocodile, furry rat. Yes, let's play on. What is the name of this area of the island? Gangplank Galleon. Let's see. See you next week. Alright. I knew you'd win this time. Alright. Puzzler, 2 coins. Let's do it. What button do you press to run? It's the B button. Alright, on to the next round. What is the name of the first level of the game? I think it's Pirate Panic. Well done. Let's have another. What is the name of the enemy boss who's kidnapped Donkey Kong? Captain K. Rool. I almost picked the first one. Till next time, here's Swanky's bonus bonanza. Alright. Alright, that little monkey's the winner. And let's do the chimp challenge. First level of the game, how many windows did the captain's cabin have? I want to say 2. Damn it. Let's do it again. I got coins. We're good. Game, how many windows does the captain's cabin have? Correct. Okay, here's the next one. What is the name of the first rigging level? There we go. In the first level of the game, which of these is not a background object in the captain's cabin? A gun? One's the winner here. Alright, cool. None, you got them all right. Okay. Fancy a game, know my name. Alright, Swanky. Okay, so let's go down. Go up. Pop Sail Trouble? This isn't the boss, is it? No, it's the snaky level. God, his sound sounds silly. That's my first death. Fell right between. Wow. Wow, guys. Can't believe that's my first death. The sound is so weird. Doing, doing, doing. Let's do the... There we go, got that. Oh, the screen crunch is really... I'm starting to feel it with this stage. Looks wrong, almost. With that sound, it feels like, ooh. Enjoy them all. Alright, you got it. Boing, 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 boing. It reminds me of fucking, in the behind the scenes of Nightmare of Freddy vs. Jason, they're doing the part where Freddy pinballs Jason around. Robert Englund makes the noises. He goes boing 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 boing. Can I kill him? Yes. Okay. There we go. We got back some of the coins we used. Man, I hate the zingers. Drive me crazy. Wow, that sucked. Okay. God, the zingers are just as annoying in this game as they are in the previous. Get the DK coin. Alright. God, I love the pirate theming, though, of this game. The music and everything, it's just, it's so good. Oh, we hear a critter over there. There we go. Okay. I want to get the G. Okay, so it goes banana coin, banana. Banana coin, G. Got. Oh. Never mind. We didn't get the G. I stand corrected. Alright, there's Funky's Flights. There's our boss. Ooh, that's an actual skull this time. It actually looks like a skull. Alright, let's take on Crow's Nest. Bye. See if there's awkward physics on this. Apparently not. I don't really like the current villain sounds. They're not as good. There we go. Start whacking them down. Yep. Didn't like that. Okay. We can get him with this. Got him. Oh, they actually show us soul leaving his body this time. That indicates the next time you fight him. Well done, you sure showed that feathered freak. I can't wait to see you get on Crocodile Cauldron. Go on then. Go, what are you waiting for? So is there like a save thing? Oh, save game's literally right there. I'm silly. I'm just gonna save. Yes. Do not turn off. Save successful. Alright. Let's go into Crocodile Cauldron. Hothead hop. Let's do it. Ugh. Oh, oh. Did he go meet like the Roadrunner? I have to hear that next time. Okay. Oh, duh. Oh, hey, feather. Oh, I didn't even see the head down there. Just gotta blend it in. So we're gonna have to be looking for that. I guess I get 2 lives again. Meep. Oh, wow. No, it's just a... Like, when you hit the sound the door things make. Like, the door stoppers. That's what it sounds like. Oh, the physics on these are not great. That's gonna be killer later on. Meep. Like, when we have to do, like, fucking the swamp levels. Meep. Oh, I don't like the physics on that. There we go. Collect the stars. Alright, let's do it. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get the physics of that. I'm mostly gonna be thinking of muscle memory, knowing me. Hey, Squitter. Ooh, this is the what he sprays now. Ooh. I'm gonna have to get good at that. Ooh, the trigger's not so bad. I am using the, obviously I'm not playing this on hardware. I'm using the, my Stadia controller, which is pretty good. Oh god, I thought I was cooked there. I guess I am cooked. Okay. Try to finish this level and then we'll finish the part up. And you can aim them up too, which is good. Yeah, I wasn't holding the B button down, that's why. Let's see if I can get this. It's not too bad with the trigger, I'll say that. It actually might be better with the trigger, I don't know. Guess we'll find out as the game goes on. That's actually pretty good, actually. It's pretty snappy. The triggers on this controller is really good, too. Jeez. Whoa. That went really far. Hey, another burst barrel. I'll take it. Alright, so... Jeez, they sometimes go fast. No. Oh, that's gonna... I'm gonna have to get used to that. But that's the whole point of playing this. That's not the barrel I just went in, was it? I think it was. Hey, I'll take the free life. Hey, I get a banana. I'll take it, I guess. Alright guys, next time on Zero Plays Donkey Kong Country 2 for, on GBA for Nostalgia Autumn, I'll do this bonus bonanza and we'll do the next level. See you then.